The Lenovo SmartTab M10, announced in 2019, is a device that doubles as a tablet and a smart display. The device can function as a smart display, thanks to a speaker dock that it ships with. Yesterday, Lenovo announced a second-gen model that ships with Amazon's Alexa assistant. The Lenovo SmartTab M10 FHD Plus has a 10.3-inch FHD IPS screen, with slimmer bezels and dual front-facing speakers. It also has a TDDI chip, touch and display driver integration, for better touch sensing and for a more efficient display. Lenovo says it has a faster and more powerful mobile processor, which is MediaTek's Helio P22T 2.3 GHz octa-core processor. It will be available in 2 plus 32 GB, 4 plus 64 GB, and 4 plus 128 GB variants with support for storage expansion, 256 GB max. Lenovo has added Face Unlock, a drop-in feature that allows it to function as a two-way intercom, and messaging and video calling at no cost between supported devices. The rear camera is an 8MP sensor while the selfie camera is a 5MP sensor. The Lenovo SmartTab M10 FHD Plus also has an improved Kids mode with dedicated kids content, parental control, eye protection features, and posture and bumpy environment alerts. There is also Dolby Atmos. Inside the tablet is a 5000 mAh battery that charges via a USB Type-C port, but there is no mention of fast charging support. It also has a nano SIM slot, Bluetooth 5.0, an audio jack, and pogo pins for connecting to the dock. The smart dock now comes in graphite gray, and has a modern fabric covering it. The speakers in the dock are dual 3-watt speakers and it connects via Bluetooth 4.2. However, you get 3 far-field microphones that can pick up your voice from across the room. The Lenovo SmartTab M10 FHD Plus will go on sale in June for €229 with the smart dock included. There are few links that has been provided in the YouTube description box. This include discounts, as well as unique products that you cannot come across in Google search. I earn a small commission if you buy anything from that link. Please buy me a beer. If you have any clarification, comment below the video. I will try my best to clear your doubts. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you like my video, please subscribe and click on the bell icon so that you will get my new videos. Also, don't forget to hit on like button. Thanks for watching. You are listening to Jason Peter, signing off. Have a good morning, good evening, or good night, whichever part of the world you are. Take care.